So in the bully community right now, trends tend to happen, meaning people would go to the direction where everyone is going. Meaning if the hottest thing right now is to produce chocolate-colored dogs, everyone would breed to produce chocolate-colored dogs. And when you have the same thing that everyone has, it's much more harder to stand out. But there are breeders like this guy who tends to follow their own vision and trust their guts. And this guy produced this dog called Gang, and he is considered to be one of the first Palomino tricolored dogs. And same as you, it's my first time of hearing that color, and it's very exciting. Thus, he's getting a lot of attention, which is rightfully so. What I'm saying is, if this breeder just followed the trend, he wouldn't be producing the first Palomino tri dog, and we won't be even talking about him. But because he followed his guts, we are here right now. All I'm saying is, if you bet on yourself, most likely you're gonna win big. What do you think?